In Pakistan, hello, my name is Isha Riaz. I'm going to explain my project. In Pakistan, over the 200 million have almost no access to the affordable legal help. Today, I want to show you what I built to change that. What was the problem? Whether it is a wonderful affection or a cybercrime or a divorce case, most the people in Pakistan have no idea what their legal rights are. Lawyers are expensive, legal aid offices are hard to reach, so people suffer. And what's its solution? I built the Pakistan Legal Aid Agent, a free AI powered assistant that answers the legal questions in Roman Urdu and English using only official Pakistani government legal sources. Okay. Now I am going to show you how I built the project. First of all, I imported the necessary libraries of the Python. You can see the NumPy, Pandas, then the other like the input for the Kaggle, and there is another. And here I implemented the Google API key because I am like add one from the secrets, then added it in here the Google API key. From the next part, I implemented all the necessary libraries of the Python for my project from the Google ADK agents and the Google ADK the development kit. So next part here I implemented the retry configuration. It means how much the my agent should retry on the basis of the input, and how and which codes errors it should display, like the 429 which show the the unavailability of the quota and etc. So 5000 is 500 error shows like there is an the backend code of is not running, or the server is not running right now. So next I added the legal disclaimer, like the legal disclaimer, this is a general legal information, blah blah blah. This is the like, and also added the emergency legal help of the Pakistan, like the legal aid helpline, Supreme Court legal aid, and AGHS legal aid cell mobile number. Okay. Next, I make the different functions you can see here to define the tools. Next, in this cell, I just implemented the law search agent, in which the agent which will search these websites like the Pakistan government site, Supreme Court, and these like the Punjab law, FIA government law, and nasla.government.pakistan. It will just search the data from all these authentic websites. Now the next is the advisor agent. Advisor agent actually writes in the and responds in Roman Urdu, because most of the students in Pakistan respond in Pakistan, they communicate with the AI agents in English or in the Roman Urdu. So I just use these two languages for my country on the basis of the easiness. So it will just writes in the English and also respond in the English, also uses the easy and the simple to understand language. You can see blah blah blah, and these are the strict rules that it will use only the information from the law search agent results. Means what the data we will fetch from through the help of the law search agent from the authentic websites. Now only this data will be used in all of the another agents, because we have to respond to the clients authentically, not just on the basis of the hallucination, etc. So now this is the hallucination god agent, means it will prevent the hallucination, like if the to prevent the errors, like if the agent responds uh, from itself instead of the authentic websites, like if it do not get the answer, it should simply respond that I don't know, instead of hallucinating and give the answers that he even don't know. And now what's his job? It will just receive a legal response and check the following: does every legal claim have a source? Are there any statements made without the evidence? Is the confidence level appropriate? It will check the like confidence level, is this the what is level of the authenticity, etc. Okay. Then it's if everything is okay and if everything is correct and authentic, then it will return the response as in with the verified on the top. It will tell us that this response is verified. Okay. Then it means it's the hallucination god, like a security guard. Okay. Now this is the root agent. root agent will actually understand the user's problem, like what the users ask, it will understand it, then it will send the then it will the fetching of the data from the search agent. These communication we will implement another by the help of the helper function, etc. So this root agent is actually the agent which will communicate with the user and to understand its the question, etc. Okay, then it will call the law search agent, the legal advisor agent, and hallucination agent to give a verified response to the user. Okay, and then in here I just run it like to make a memory for the agent, and here I made a helper function which will help to communicate between these agents to, and then it will fetch the question and then give the answer to the user appropriately. And here you can see up now these are the test cases. Okay, फर्स्ट टेस्ट केस इज आई आस्क्ड मेरा मोबाइल चोरी हो गया है, एफआईआर कैसे दर्ज कराऊं. सो what this will do, it will just search first of all when the user asked, the root agent will fetch this question from the user, and then will call the search agent. Search agent will will search this question on the all the authentic and the legal websites of the Pakistan and check अगर मेरा मोबाइल हो गया तो मैं एफआईआर कैसे दर्ज कराऊं. So when the legal agent will respond, it will check the what is its level of the confidence in this response by using the hallucination god, etc. And then it will communicate this with the communicate and interlink these all of the agents, and then give the final response to the user by the help of the root agent by returning a response. So here you can see there's a lack of the quota because it's not given the response, but the code is this file is completely fine and it is fully functional though, so no worry about this because it's just because of the my resources are not allowing right now to run this file because of the quota and out of limit. So next question what I asked that अगर मुझे शोहर से खुला लेनी है तो उसके लिए क्या प्रोसेस होगा पाकिस्तान में. So the my agent will give the authentic answer to the user on the basis of this question and the basis of all the rules we implemented. Now these are few next tests like my landlord is making me to vacate the house without any notice. You can see this question is in English. Before two questions were the previous two questions were in the Roman Urdu. So now this is the question, is this legal? Now the test 4 is someone is blackmailing me online using my photos. What can I do legally in Pakistan? So by using these agents, user can actually ask the questions and get the legal authenticate answers to what steps to take for the next in any case, like in to which can help them. And because we actually most of the people do not know what steps they have to take for taking the legal agents legal actions, so they hire the lawyers, and legal lawyers just take a lot of the money from them just for the simple questions. Okay, I am just making it easy for. So now next this part is actually for the implementation of the for showing the making the web UI of my agent. So I like implemented a display HTML because my web UI will be implemented in the HTML CSS because it will because of the like pretty, you can say. Now we can look at, you can say like we have implemented the we can implemented a disclaimer like uses using all agents we have implemented a URL. So what, so we have to first write this last cell. It will give us a link of the web UI. Then when I will run this cell, this it will just give run my web UI. So web UI actually like a interface like that, you can see like a GPT or any AI model where we can ask the questions and it can give me the authentic answers. Okay, that was the total. Oh, So now, this agent will not replace the liars, keep in mind, but it will make sure that no one in Pakistan is helpless. Okay, just because they could not afford one, it was built with ADK, Google ADK, Gemini, and a lot of care for the people who need it most. Goodbye. That was it.